This video I'm going to show you how to move an object with the keyboard and also test the number of instances left in a room. So I'm going to open up my player object. I'm going to add an event. I'm going to select key press, left, put in a move action, left. Just make sure to change the speed. Okay, and next I want to add a key release event so that whenever the player lets off the key, then the character will stop. So just make sure the speed is 0. And then I'll just do the same thing for the other keys. Okay, so I'm going to test it out. You can see as I press the keys and let off, then the player will move whichever direction I want by pressing the arrow keys, and as soon as I let off an arrow key, the player will stop. Okay, next I want to test the number of instances. So I'm going to have the player pick up the burgers. So I'm going to add a collision event. And in this event, I am going to destroy the instance. And I want to make sure I select other so the player doesn't destroy itself. Okay. Okay, and you see the character can pick up the burger and destroys the instances. Okay, next I'm going to add in collision with a wall, so the player actually has to go around the wall to pick up the burger. So I'm going to add a collision event with the wall, and I'm just going to set the speed to 0. So now if I run into the wall, the player cannot go through the wall. Alright, next I want to test and see when the player has picked up all the burgers. So all I'll do is go to the collision event, so I select the test instance count action. So I'll test burgers. If it's equal to 0, then I'll add in my block, and then I want to send the player to the game over screen. Okay, so now whenever the player picks up the burger, if it's 0 burgers left, then it should go to the game over room.